For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. South Africa, Bafana 1, Panama 1. Ikhona ke igap between lamaqela amabini. Panama ba ranked kwi top 30 in the world. Bafana yona it's inside kwi top 63 because yabona mas junior kufana lapha kwi Betway kukhona number 1 ku number 16 same as I rankings kwi national there is those rankings and ke besibukele umdlalo apha between a team that is ranked kwi top 30 ne team that is ranked let me say top 70 Bafana 1-1 Moses Mabhida Stadium. Bafana fresh new look. Coach Hugo Bros selected the squad. There was in data before the game. There was a lineup. There was more talk, but in data it means we supposed to go on the field, and after 95 minutes, it was Bafana 1, Panama 1. Umdlalo junior not mhlambi we should have won, but 1-1 should have or shouldn't have isebenzi esiyazi ukuthi namhlanje is 1-1 junior manje ukubulisa mfethu kunjani
Shit my brother kunjani
I'm okay
shayizeli manzi kakhulu man smart
yeah that's a new sponsor so Bafana
yeah top notch
yeah that's a new sponsor yeah
Mbulisingo sika Mthobitho the little Tsopenezi Vilakazi Mbulise Justice Benedict Vilakazi Bobzin,
yeah.
Kululeka my brother. Ebafithu kunjani keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Yeah, yeah man bengifuna ukuyibona iPanama mfethu ukuthi why is ranked number 33. Yeah, I think I saw why.
Oh, ibonile.
Yeah, kunezinye izinto engizibonile. Yeah. They were not better side compared to us honestly.
Okay.
Asikhulume ngeteam yethu Shane. Starting 11 set was questionable for me. It came here, yes, we had so many chances as coming first half. We created so many chances. Chances whereby there was a lot of movement from Mitime to Nkulumanga Mreme, Apolis. Yes, Mshishi, I will say nine Ambala. But truly speaking, Mshishi, the match fitness you can tell. And the coach you can tell who's Jelly, Mshishi I'm going to use it. I think Mitime to create a chance of Kulu. Ofrost I think magohlala phansi abheke lama chances anjengalawa uzoshona ukuthi yazini bekumele bawinele labantu game because we created so many chances as coming njenga first half whereas these guys they making so many bebenza ama mistakes bekumele ngabe siyawapunisha ngalawo mistakes kunama game Shane whereby they are so tight. You need a clinical striker. This is a game whereby ubonile team has done yonke into ngikhuluma ngebafana. Well done to Tebza. Yeah. I think umchito udlale kahle. Ndamane did very well. I think umfana today ngizomshayela izandla udlale kahle. Kunamanye bengisafuna ukumbona umfana. Yes, I know he's good on the ball, but bengifuna ukumbona off the ball. Akon not angabi convinced. Kunama mistakes whereby
it's Ocon.
Yeah, Ocon.
Bengicima uthi uAcon.
Ocon. Yeah, first up ngithe Ocon. Ocon. The guy kunama mistake whereby kule level kunama mistake engeke ukhona ukwenza. Whereby you want to ufuna ukupass umuntu close nawe. Nidlala two center back. These are right and left center back. Nifuna ukupassana close. Whereby there's a striker coming, you can't be doing that. Okanye off position. Ufuna ukudlala i-back pass nakhona ihambe kancane. You can't be doing those mistakes. But njengoba ngisho nje overall well done to Tebza. I think uyayishaya le role umfana defensive midfield. Umfana udlale kahle today. Very clean. I think Tebza will give him these forward passes much. Also ngibuyele kulomjita lo uyasithole. Kunamanye ama player Shane. I've got nothing against Uyaya. Yeah. He's starting 11 say to that's why it's questionable. Mshishi, I was not going to play him. Okay. Really, I got to win a young player, player of the month. The boy is doing well. Play him. Go number 10. Yes, Nyazo, I'm trusting Mshishi. Play really. Just play. Ngizothatha statements aka Inshelo Timagazuti. I think yesterday after the game between France and Brazil, I watch and learn. They asked him about Neymar after the loss. He said, I'm a players that are physically fit. Like body shape, be fit, they are fit and really sharp and playing regularly with top leagues. okanye they are doing well for their teams, whether it's Brazil or wherever, I will start him than relying to a player who's not physical fit, a player engizoyenza ama-excuse ngayo after losing the game. So Umshishi, we know what you can do Umshishi, but not much of him. You can't start him. Go-Sundowns akadlali. Ma ungachecka today, he lost so many position Umshishi. Uyabona ne-confident ayikho.
Junior, ndifuna ukubuza le nto. Do you think mhlawumbi sikwesa stage ngomshishi where we can't start the games ngaye, but we can bring him mhlawumbi second half, because check how he plays at Sundowns, check how Miguel Cardoso is using him at Sundowns. Sometimes we'll bring Umshishi when they are leading. So okay, now we will control the game better with Umshishi. But andifuni naleyo uyigcinisa because xa sijonga igame namhlanje, we had so many opportunities, created chances, because le game namhlanje if besiwinile, we would have said okay, involvement kaMshishi was excellent, but because we drew, sizawuthi mhlawumbi okay, mhlawumbi Umshishi is better coming off his second half. Do you think mhlawumbi we are at a stage where you feel ukuthi Umshishi is not a 90 minutes type of a player?
This is a preparation, Shane.
Yeah.
Whether we lose or win. In this game, being a matter to win or lose. Yes, some results you need, but how you play, you check opposition opegana nabo Mexico and stuff. Because the coach, I'm talking ngikhuluma lento ngoba ngiyazi this we are prepare uzomdlalisa Umshishi. You can see you want to start against Mexico, ufuna ukumdlala Umshishi. Ngikhulumela based lento engiyibona. So akumelanga enze kanjalo coach. There's players that they are fit who could do very well, like Lomfana Lojo Bangichi, play of the month. Wam demoralized. I'm game. You understand? Umshishi has not been playing at Sundowns. He has what he can do. We know what you can do, Umshishi. He has done a lot for South African football. But just to answer you again, we are on the stage where we have a fan that they can enjoy Lomfano really. Trust him. Have a trust. Mangabi Brazil is trust Lomfano Enrique. Yesterday in busy. Call him. Abu Musiala, they call him Nkulmabucheme at the age of 20, 19, playing regularly. Play him. Call him, Baba. And then Umshishi is not playing West Sundowns, so that is a impact player. He will come second half to manage the game. Coming to this team, I think Tina has created more chances more than them. They created one chance. But we need to learn, we as South African, Ronwen need to learn, Ronwen Mdau, also Nabumkwena Tebs at the Peg, Kumanchim. We cannot risk, casually, against these guys. Labachita Laba. We talk about team that it's another level. Upeganale half of a chance. They pass pressile, and then Damane, Udlalundamane la Pauronwen, and then Urdamane Wadalumda Bampressa. Or Childala, Gobani deflection, and then when Yakubula Yakuka, this guy, I think it's Okon, yes, or Tatokon. And then finish. I think we are. I mean to say yes, we are. Na pumupantswe nyao. Ronen begal vali the first pool. I think begal not the anga valang first pool. Begal go last pool. But shapanswe nyao it was a goal. And then done. And then these guys they managed the game. Well done. But was managed the game. Mangi tuwe. Bengfunu bona why bagu number 3. Tactically spot on. I think they know how to approach game. They playing away. By us, away. We preparing to play World Cup. So lala. Especially the teams that we're going to play against, the Skulumanga Sekrupinichu, Jobashilo, when African team Ghana, Balandi South Africa. Tactically, Manga how they shift, how they move the ball quick, very dynamic. Upegane Kolabo, very dynamic. Not sort of a skillful individual, brilliant team, but Bagwas moving ball. Tactically, also technical, they know how to manage the game as well. And you think from complementing, but Bebanga number up front. Beba, they play low block. Bagwas we also ban a plan to counter-attack us. And I think they do that very well. But Tina, Sibenayo, he ball possession so much without hitting these guys. But the Froster, you won't issue. He with different. Nah, going back. That's why it's good line up. Sometimes you don't have to look at the guy who to Lala EP League. If it was Reina's for there, Nyas good is a draw. We can't talk about that. But sometimes you don't have to look at the league. Reina's proved himself in Jobang Shino in the first half. But tournament in Jengabot World Cup. Play. Good tournament, good game in Jengadem start, man. Yes, Nyas, in I've been seeing Froster missing such chances. I've seen Froster miss some chances now. Like, have a trust about Reina Saliba the corner for Sabugene, so that we not hang and when he come from the bench, I ask good to we bury the chance. Now we play the throw. Okay, we understand. Also, Yaya, ukuthi udlala kuyiphi league ngicala uJaden Adams or this guy Mbatha. The boy Mbatha is one of the best currently. Mina bengamdlala nomkwena. If he said you can play this boy utalente nomkwena, I think mina there can be a balance. Kuzospana also there will be so much chances of creation.
Okay, ujaza sasike signal, but before sivale, do you think ucoach Hugo Bros sayifumene i-combination phakathi midfield, or do you think kusakhona safanele kwenzeke?
Kunento engayi-understand ngaye. Ngibona ufuna abacala at the back. Hugo Bros. Hugo Bros angikhona kum-understand. Ngibona ucala ibhola at the back. Abo-Ronan bacala ibhola at the back. And obvious, they cannot start do that without his instruction. Yes, but World Cup is not going to do that, I know. And also in the midfield, udlala ngoyaya. Ngibona manje ukhipha number 10, umshishi ufaka number 10. He's not going to do that. Uyodlala nga-3 central midfield, we know. World Cups. That's why ngithi mina uyangicaka. Manje lento azenza la, I know he's going to play 5 at the back. 3 center back, 3 central midfield, mhlamba taking a 2, that's all. With the hope of Mdiba going forward and down. That's so mau prepare ngendlela yodlala ngayo World Cup. So in today's game, well done to Bafana. We created chances, especially first half of Shalizan. Second half, it came a bit, yes, Mfuken came, Mfana wa raise isandla, mbona Mfana ukuthi bekafuna ukudlala. Well done to the boy, and yeah, I think Bafana did very well, and also the coach willing him compliment la go rate ama players sengikhuluma second half. You need sonke the squad mangabe vele uzohamba naso World Cup, but joba ngisho nje bekumele ngabe siwinile le game. Lengwenya lezi nazo zathola ichance. Okon leya bhola leli udlala short close nakhona ibhola awudlali firm and then basilanda lapha lengwenye kube bene speed boy direct epaleni nakhona sisindile sibamba nge1-2 siyabhola watcha on the box. Yeah, towards the end of the game. So a very good team this. Bengizitshela ukuthi awusalanda bo Panama, why singalanda bo Senegal for preparation and stuff, abo Uruguay just to prepare, but these people basinike I think a good friend ngifuna ukubona na Tuesday, but well done to good game fethu besibukele bengabhori le game, and Bafana I think they played very well nabo mele siba compliment. I think nabo badlalile abachite.
Thank you so much, Junior. That is Junior Khanye besibukele swabini ke lo mdlalo international friendly pa Durban's Moses Mabhida Stadium on Tuesday. Badlala again Bafana against the same team in Panama in Cape Town. I've heard ukuthi amatikiti are selling fast for like game. I'm sure sizabona a crowd different than lesi won eMabhida namhlanje, but nayo it was a decent crowd. But in Moses Mabhida Stadium it's Bafana 1 Panama 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Khanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.